Let's do
Yeah,
it.
workbook time.
And I can help.
I need a pencil.
Okay, let's get started.
We can do it.
Hello everybody, these are pages 18 and 19 for the Let's Go 4 workbook. And on these pages we have to review units 1 and 2. So this page here is a review, and on this page we get to kind of review Chris and Cindy's treasure hunt, the first part, which I loved. I love that story. So here we go, let's start. Part A says, unscramble the questions, write the answers. Okay, that's a little bit hard because we have to know what the right question is, and then also we have to find the right answer from that page. So we're going to look back a couple of times here. Let's see. This says, going to do what he is. All right, so I know the question word is what. So I'm going to write what. And then for this unit, the question was like this. All right, let's write it. What is he going to do? A future tense question. All right, so I'll start with he, boy. He is going to, and then do's here, so he is going to, he is, or you can write he's if you want. Going to, let's see, he has a tennis racket and a tennis ball, so I think he's going to eat tennis, drink tennis, draw tennis. No, play. He is going to play tennis. Cool, all done. Number 2, weather, how's going to be the? All right, this was also from unit 1, and this pattern looked like this. Let's write the question. How's what? How's the weather? How's the weather today? No. How's the weather going to be? It's asking about after now. How's the weather going to be? Cool. Well, let's see. This is now, and then tomorrow, sunny. Tuesday, sunny. Wednesday, sunny. So I think I can say whether's it is, or it's going to be. It's going to be sunny. Sunny. Great. Next one. This is also from Unit 1. They need what do? Well, no. On this page, the question pattern looked like this. Let's write it. What do they need? Okay, let's look at the picture. Well, they need, let's see. Well, they're both looking at flashlights. They're thinking about flashlights. So I think they need flashlights. Maybe they're going to go camping. So they need flashlights. We won't say all flashlight here because look, 1, 2, 3, and there are 2 of them. So they need more than one. They need flashlights. Okay, number 4 is from Unit 2. And the question here is, she does drive a car, want to? Well, it's all mixed up, so we should have does first. And this was just from the last page, so it looked like this. Cool, let's write that. Does she want to drive a car? Oh no, it's starting to become drag. Drive a car. And she looks happy there, and in the picture, yeah, she's in a car, so I would say yes. Yes, comma, she does. Great, don't forget your comma. If there's no comma here, it sounds like this. Yes, she does. With the comma, it sounds like this. Yes, she does. Part A is done. This is part B. It just says read and match. So we can just read the sentences here and then match them to the right picture. So here we go. She wants to be a writer. Writer. I think it's her because look at how many books she's taking out. And honestly, if you want to be a writer, you need to read. Next, He wants to be a scientist. Okay, this boy. He's already trying experiments in class. Look how happy he is with his goggles and his lab coat. Definitely, he wants to be a scientist. Next one. He wants to travel around the world. This boy, he has a globe. He looks so happy imagining all the places he'll travel to. Last one. She wants to design a video game. Okay, that's her. Her mind is just filled with different kinds of video games and controllers. So she definitely wants to design a video game. Part B, done. Okay, this is part C, and part C says read, write, and match. And this all comes from the Chris and Cindy's Treasure Hunt Part 1, which was on page 21 of the student book, I believe. And it's a really cool story. We get one every 2 units, and in the end, they end up having a great adventure. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna read the text, we're gonna fill in the missing parts from the word box, and then we'll just draw a line to whatever picture we think it is. All right, so here we go. Number 1. We're going to go on a treasure, said Aunt Angie. Treasure what? Treasure clue? Treasure beach? Treasure holding? Treasure hunt? Treasure hunt. Okay. We're going to take an airplane. Yay! Said Chris and Cindy. Okay, so I need a picture where Aunt Angie is telling them this. And I think it's this picture right here. Look, she's got the idea. She's coming up to tell them, and look, Chris is going, yay! So we'll draw a line down there. Next, Aunt Angie had the first for the treasure hunt. She had the first clue. She had the first clue. The clue is like a hint, so a piece of paper to help them. Chris and Cindy read it. Well, here they are. They're reading the clue. Okay. Clue. It's not a but there's a lot of Okay. It's not a beach. It's not a holding. It's not a need. It's not a sand. It's not a sunscreen. It's not a triangle. Okay, it could only be beach or triangle because they can have all. But I think from the student book it was beach. It's not a beach. But there's a lot of There's a lot of holding, need, sand, sunscreen, sand. It's not a beach, but there's a lot of sand. You, your hats, and You holding, you need, you need your hats and what? Oh, and sunscreen. Sunscreen. Okay, you need your hats and sunscreen. Uncle Al is your next clue. Uncle Al is holding, or Uncle Al is triangle? He's holding. Uncle Al is holding your next clue in front of a big triangle. Great, so I gotta draw this to a clue. Here's a clue right here. And the last one, I think I know, said Cindy. That's that one. Part C is done. Okay, this is part D, and it just says answer the questions. These questions are about this text or this story part right here. So we're gonna kind of move the book up and down to look for clue words like it's a reading page. Here we go, number 1. What is Chris going to do? All right, let's search for going to blah, blah, blah. And right here I see it. We're going to go on a treasure hunt. We're going to take an airplane. Actually, either of these are okay. I think the book wants you to just write the first one, so I'm gonna do that. What is Chris going to do? I'm sorry, I should trace this first. He's going to go on a treasure hunt. Let's write that part. Go on a treasure, T-R-E-A-S-U-R-E, hunt. Hunt. Great. Number 2. What do they need? Let's find out what they need. Looking for need. Need. You need your hats and sunscreen. Okay. So they need. And this says your. So here we're going to say their. THEIR. Hats and sunscreen. Sunscreen. Great. Number 3. How's the weather going to be? Okay, let's look for going to be blank. It's going to be. It doesn't say how the weather's going to be, but it does say here, if I look here, look at this. You need sunscreen. So I think if it's sunscreen and there's a lot of sand, probably the weather is going to be sunny. So let's write that. It's going to be sunny. Done. Next one, last one. Does Cindy need a swimsuit? Swimsuit, eh? Do I need a swimsuit for a treasure hunt? No, I don't. Do I need a swimsuit on an airplane? No. Okay. Do I need a swimsuit for a clue? No. Oh, a beach? Oh, but wait, look, it's not a beach. Okay. Triangle. Do I need a swimsuit at a triangle? No. So I'm going to say no. I don't think she does. They're going to go to Egypt, the Great Pyramids. No, she doesn't. She doesn't need a swimsuit for this part of their adventure. All done. Great job on pages 18 and 19.